What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to turn off online status on your Instagram profile. This also turns off the effect that when you log off, it'll say when you were last on your profile, the last seen feature. Now, this is actually a really good way to not have somebody stalk your profile and see when you're on Instagram. Kind of makes me mad that Instagram even added this feature at all, but luckily you could actually just turn it off. So once you have your Instagram app opened, you're just going to hit your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. It's going to take you to your profile here, and then you'll hit the three lines in the upper right hand corner to get to the settings, and then you're going to hit obviously settings all the way at the top. Once you're in your settings now, you're going to go and see the privacy function. It is about five down from the top, has a little lock icon next to it. And then once you're on here, you're going to see activity status. It is right above the messages, which is second from the bottom from connections. And then once you're in activity status, it's literally the only thing right here. You could see that the show activity status is enabled, but you could just turn it off and it'll disable it. It kind of just shows you exactly what it actually does, but I already explained that in the beginning of the video, and if you're clicking on this, you already know what it does. But once you turn that off, anybody that is in your DMs and can see when you're online last will no longer be able to see it. And this is a great tool for not having somebody know when you're on Instagram, especially if you don't really want to reply to all your DMs right away, or just not have somebody stalk you in general. You could turn the activity status off, and it is super helpful in your everyday life. If you were confused or you had any questions how this works, just comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da